Hello, all of my friends. Today I'm going to tell you how to share your drive or file or folder. I'm going to create a demo folder on the desktop. Then after, I'm going to share this folder. Sharing folder is the very nice idea to share your file documents within a network, okay, within the same network to the other computer, other people who use the computer. No need to take the pen drives, CD, hard drives, okay, like this. You can work very fast by sharing the folder. Okay, now listen. Yeah, I'm going to create a new folder and name is share drive. Then after, to share this folder, select the folder, then after click right click, then have to go to the properties. Okay, yeah, it's open, right? Here in general, now you have to go to the sharing. First go to the share. Okay, here you have to hit everyone. Okay, when you get everyone, then all can access your folder. Permission level, you can change your permission level. Awesome. I think here is the trouble. Okay, let's share this. I'm done. Now go to the advanced sharing queue. Click OK. I'll share this folder. Then I'll click the permission and you can get the full control, okay, to edit your document. Then press apply. Okay. Okay. Now close. Yeah, we have shared this folder, right? And after sharing the folder, you have to map that sharing folder as drive. Okay, you can see here this like a drive here. After sharing, after networking that share drive or folder. Okay, for that first you have to check your computer IP. Okay, I'm going to check my IP. Yes, my IP for it is x86.4 192.168.123.4 /. Then after, okay, yeah, the share drive is here, right? Now select right click, then after select the map to network drive and select the finish. Okay, now go to this PC. Yes, here is the share drive. We have just shared that folder. Okay, here is display here. Okay, and you can keep a file folder here to go to the other computer. Or browse from the other computer, same area. To browse from the other computer, just press R from the keyboard, then after type that share folder, share drive computer IP address. That is, this computer IP address is 4. Okay, this is the IP address, and after you can click OK, then it will be shown on your computer. Then just click right, then after do the map network drive. Okay, this is the very nice idea. Okay, nice idea to share your file folder. Okay, just like that you can share your file folder. Okay, when you share your file folder, then after it will be very easy to put the file on the share drive. Then after go to the next computer and you can work on other computer too, or you can transfer your file to other user, other computer user also in a second. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.